Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Me Built Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about the process of how to reset your reward system that ultimately has been hijacked pornography and provides you with 3 things that you can do every day, every week to help you break this cycle of porn and masturbation, step out of the destructive habit that's consuming your life, and become the man that you were created to be. But before we get into today's videos, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And so secondly, for you guys that are in the early stages of identifying some of the problems that porn has had on your life and are curious about what life can look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit of porn and masturbation out of your life, make sure to download our free ebook, guys. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through the exact process that we teach our students here at Rebuilt Recovery on how to identify all the areas that porn is negatively impacting your life and holding you back from becoming the man that you were created to be. How to take that and build an actionable plan over the course of 3, 6, 9 months to remove porn from your life, reset your brain, rebuild your body, reshape your heart, and ultimately, what do you need to do to find yourself or hold yourself accountable and execute upon that plan every single day? Because it will take a development of discipline, willpower, and proper execution to make this dream of removing porn from your life ultimately become a reality. So download the free ebook, guys. I'm gonna link it down there in the first pinned comment below. That's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. But let's get back to today's video, guys. How to reset your reward system that ultimately has been hijacked by pornography. So first, let's define exactly what we're talking about with our reward system being hijacked. You know, I want to refer you guys back at the end of today's videos. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to watch the interview that I did with Dr. Trish Lee, where she talks about porn's effect as a supernormal stimulus. And Gary Wilson also talks about this in his book, Your Brain on Porn. Porn, internet porn of today, what we see, what we stream online, not the magazines of our father's era, but internet, YouTube streaming pornography. It's such a super normal stimulus. Nothing in the natural world creates the same type of stimulus response in our brains and in our chemical systems that internet pornography does. So what literally ends up happening from the first or second exposure and consumption of pornography, it starts to change the way that our brains are developed. It starts to hijack our reward system. So there's 2 chemicals associated with the reward system. We have the dopamine, which we can refer to dopamine as the cravings chemical, and then we have opioids. Opioids is the pleasure chemical. So on the dopamine side of things, we release dopamine when we're in the pursuit of something that we ultimately want. Okay, I'm gonna link. I want you to remember that because we're gonna bring that back towards the end of the video. So remember, dopamine is a chemical that is released when we're in pursuit of a goal, when we're in pursuit of what we're chasing after. So think about when you sit down at your screen or you flip open your tablet or your smartphone. The minute you start to think about going to view porn, your body is getting bouts and bouts and bouts of dopamine because you're on path of where you're trying to get to. Okay, you still with me here? So as we pull up that site, boom. The problem with these 2 sites is it's literally an infinite amount of graphic, of very extreme, very shocking images. Never in man's existence has there been this type of stimulus at our disposal. Literally, and this is what's causing the brains of young men to change. Okay, so we've hijacked the dopamine because we're literally can give it an infinite, unlimited amount of hits of dopamine. Boom. Every new video, every new image, every new thought about what am I going to see when I click on that thumbnail is about a dopamine. Now, the opioid side of things, the other chemical, the pleasure chemical, that is released upon masturbation. That is released upon release. So dopamine in the path of pursuit, opioid at the end of release. Now the problem here is because neither one of these are natural, neither one of these occur in the natural world, what ends up happening is they hijack because the supernormal stimulus is so much greater than we're getting anywhere else in the outside world. Thinking about drugs, you know, cocaine, heroin, opioids, they create a response in our brain that we do not get anywhere else. So how do we replicate that? Is we have to go back, not for the same amount, but we have to go back for more. And then the next time we have to go back for more. And then the next time we have to go back for even more. This is why your path into the addiction of pornography has taken you from where you started Like we've talked about, the use of vanilla porn, man, women, casual sex has led you to more destructive, consuming more hardcore, more extreme, more shocking, because the dopamine you weren't getting the dopamine from what you originally got it for. So you need to up the ante, so to speak. You need to go up the flavor of what you're seeking out. Now the problem with that is on the other side of things, the release, the pleasure, it gets lower and lower and lower, because internally you're fighting an internal battle that you know what you're doing is not right. And I don't want to make this a moral conversation here. So understand that your reward system has been hijacked. Literally, the only place that you're going to get dopamine is in the pursuit of more porn, more hardcore scenes, more graphic type of footage. Okay, and then the opioid side, you're only going to get more pleasure through more and more releases, through more and more masturbation. So you've created this cycle that you live in, where literally, if you're going to enjoy anything in life, if you're going to find pleasure in anything, it's going to be you sitting in front of a screen streaming pornography 24 hours a day, which is why you may be feeling down, anxious, depressed, bottled up inner emotions. I get it. I've been there. I know what that's like. So now what we're going to do is talk about how to reset that. Okay, step number one is obviously you got to remove the consumption of pornography from your life. And this is the hardest part for most men, because we're wired that we need that. So this is where having a coach, having a program, joining a community can help you, because you're going to be around a group of like-minded men that are all moving forward in the same direction that you are. But you got to start by moving the consumption of porn out of your brain. Okay, over time, that in and of itself will begin to change and rewire your brain. But you want to speed up and accelerate that process and actually reset the reward system. Here's 3 things that you can do every single day. First off, live in a place of gratitude. Develop a morning routine, and we've talked about this in multiple videos, but I'm going to hammer it home on this channel for the next couple years, because I think it's one of the most important things that we can do to change our internal chemistry, to change how we view the world, to change how we view ourselves, and ultimately change our brains. Coming from a place of gratitude, living and existing in a place of gratitude that you are grateful and thankful for everything that you have, literally releases chemicals known as oxytocin in your brain. And this will help speed up that resetting process. So the first thing you need to do if you want to reset your reward system is find things to reward yourself for, or find things to be grateful for already in existence, already in your life. So live and operate from a place of gratitude every single day. The second thing that you can do, and we did an entire video on this topic as well, is to seek out and do hard things every single day. Here's what this is going to do, is by the exposure to something challenging, by the exposure to something difficult. This can be a cold shower. This can be a 10-minute HIIT workout. It can be just going for a 30-minute walk if you've never moved for 30 minutes consecutively. It can be going through a fasting period, extended fast, 24, 40, 48 hours. We talk a lot here on fasting as well. But the exposure to hard things, the exposure to challenging things puts you in places that you haven't been before, and you have to develop character traits. You have to develop genes to accomplish that. So by exposing yourself to hard things daily, you're literally changing your physiology. You're becoming a different person. And what do we say on this channel all the time here? If you want to end your battle with pornography addiction, you must become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. One of the quickest ways that you can change who you are and who you're becoming is by exposing yourself to hard things every single day. I recommend a cold shower. It's something that I've been practicing for the last 18 months and has literally changed my life. Okay, so implement a hard activity, hard task, hard challenge every single day. And if you want one, cold shower first thing in the morning. Okay, and the third thing that you need to do is you need to develop a plan for your life. You need to develop a plan for the future on where you're trying to go to. We recommend seeing the future 5 years out and then taking that plan and building it reverse engineer backwards. So 5 years, I know this is where I want to get to. Okay, this is what I want to be doing with my career. This is what I want my family to look like. This is where I want my spiritual life to be. This is where I want my vacation life to be. This is where I want my finances and income to be. If you're looking for some help here, we teach the 5 S's to building a superhuman life. It's faith, fitness, finance, family, and freedom. But you got to build a plan for the future, okay? Because we talked about dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical that is released when we are in pursuit of our goals, when we're in pursuit of a plan. So by having a plan of where you're trying to get to in the future, and then taking that and building that into your daily strategy, building that into your daily plan. Literally, if you've taken your plan for the future and you said, in order for me to accomplish X in 5 years from now, I need to do this today. So you're giving yourself a plan for today, not just for the future, but for today. And by having a plan for today, at the end of the day, you can sit back and look at what you accomplished. And in doing so, if what you accomplished brings you closer to your long-term goal, you get a hit of dopamine. Your body will release the chemical saying, hey, great job, you are in pursuit, you are on target for getting on where you want to go. And this is gonna be one of the quickest ways you will reset that dopamine neurotransmitter to start finding joy, to start finding pleasure, to start finding fulfillment in things other than pornography. So real quick, guys, 3 things that you can do every single day and week to reset your reward system that has been hijacked by pornography. Live in a state of gratitude, seek out and do hard things on a daily basis, and develop a plan for your life in the future, and take that and make a plan for today and tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Frank Chris from Rebuilt Recovery, really hoping that this video helped you, really hoping that I provide real actionable strategies and tips. We try to come from a high level perspective, giving you philosophies and ideas and a deeper level of understanding of how porn is negatively impacting you. And then we like to flip it over and also give you the tangible strategies. And that's what today's video is about. It's the actual strategies that you can now take and implement literally today in your life. If you've been waiting for this video, if you've been waiting to make a change, this is the video that you can literally walk away from here and start practicing things. And over the next 30 days, over the next 60 days, over the next 90 days, you will experience changes in your brain. You will experience changes in your heart. You will experience changes in your body if you follow through and execute on what I gave you here today. So that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn those post notifications on. And if you're looking for some help, if you're looking for a deeper level strategy on how to remove porn from your life, click that first link in that pinned comment down below. It's our 7-step guide to living life without porn. But Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the other side.